If your print screen key isn't working on Windows, or you just want faster screenshot options, this video will show you several easy alternatives. I'll cover built-in Windows tools, a browser option, and a free app so you can choose what works best. Option 1. Fast keyboard shortcut, Windows plus Shift plus S. Let's start with the quickest method if you still like keyboard shortcuts. Hold down Windows key on your keyboard. While holding it, press Shift, then press S. So it's Windows plus Shift plus S all at the same time. A small screenshot toolbar will appear at the top of your screen. Choose the capture type. Rectangle snip, most common drag to capture a box area. Window snip. Click a specific window. Full screen snip, captures your entire screen. Freeform snip. Draw a custom shape. If you choose rectangle snip, click and hold your mouse button. Drag over the area you want. Release the mouse to capture. Your screenshot is taken immediately. Look for a small notification pop-up, usually near the bottom right. Click it to open the screenshot and save or edit it. This is perfect if you want something fast and you like hotkeys. Option 2. Snipping tool built-in Windows app. Next is the snipping tool, already installed on Windows. Click the search button. In the search bar type, snipping tool. Click snipping tool to open it. In the app click new. Your screen will dim and your cursor becomes a crosshair. Click and hold your mouse. Then drag over the area you want to capture. Release your mouse to take the screenshot. To save it, click Save Snip, the disk/save icon. Choose a folder, like desktop or pictures. Name your file. Click Save. This option is great if you prefer clicking buttons instead of using shortcuts. Option 3. Snip Sketch, built-in editor option. Another built-in option is Snip Sketch. It's useful because it opens your screenshot in an editor right away. Click the search bar. Type Sketch. Click Snip Sketch from the results. Inside the app, click New. A small snip menu appears at the top of your screen. Choose how you want to capture. Rectangle, window, full screen, or freeform. Capture the area by clicking and dragging. After you capture, the screenshot opens in the app. Use basic tools to mark it up. Pen/highlighter/crop. To save, click the save icon, or press Ctrl+S. Choose location and file name. Click Save. Option 4. Screenshot in Microsoft Edge, capture full web pages. If you're using Microsoft Edge, you can take screenshots directly in the browser. Great for capturing a full web page even beyond the visible screen. Open Microsoft Edge. Go to the web page you want to capture. Click the three dots menu in the top right corner, Settings and More. Click Screenshot. You can draw to screenshot. After capture, you can add shapes, text, and more. Save the screenshot if you are satisfied with it. Option 5. Snipaste, free app with advanced tools. If you want more advanced features, like pinning screenshots on your screen or adding arrows, shapes, and cleaner annotations, try Snipaste. It's free. Open your browser. Search Snipaste download. Click the official Snipaste website. Make sure it's the real site. Download the version for Windows. When the file finishes downloading, if it's a zip file, right-click it. Click Extract All. Choose a folder. Click Extract. Open the extracted folder. Double-click Snipaste exe to run it. You may not see a big window, and that's normal. Snipaste runs in the background. Look at the bottom right of your taskbar. Click the up arrow, Show Hidden Icons, to open the system tray. Find the Snipaste icon. Hover your mouse over it. You'll see the current screenshot hotkey example. Ctrl+W, yours may differ. If you want to change the hotkey, you can. Right-click the Snipaste icon in the system tray. Click Preferences. Go to the Control section/tab. Find the hotkey option. It usually shows the screenshot shortcut. Click inside the hotkey box, then press the key combo you want to use. Example, Ctrl+Shift+A. Close Preferences. Snipaste saves settings automatically. Press your Snipaste hotkey. Your screen will freeze and let you select an area. Click and drag to select what you want. Release to capture. Use the tools to add text, arrows, shapes, highlights. When finished, save it. Click the Save option inside Snipaste. Choose Folder. Name the file. Click Save. And that's it. If your print screen key isn't working, you can still take screenshots using Windows plus Shift plus S. Built-in apps like Snipping Tool or Snip Sketch, Microsoft Edge for web pages, or Snipaste for advanced features. Pick the method you like and start using it. If this helped, like the video, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more.